So, good morning, Thursday the 15th, about 15 or 16 degrees, and I'm amazed that we haven't had a frost yet. So we're on our way to view some absolutely beautiful woodland, which I was shown in a previous short. While we're talking about shorts and videos, if you'd be kind enough to like it, if you like it, be kind enough to subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. I hope you're well. The reason that I'm bringing you out today and that I'm hosting this video blog is to perhaps just mark the change in the seasons and the change in the colours that nature's giving us. So that's just giving you a brief idea of how close I am to real heritage woodland, and I'm absolutely amazed, as I am every year, by the spectacle of the colours. For me it's a bit of a double bonus because I love seeing the trees when they green up and they sprout their leaves for the first time in the spring. And the double bonus when I get to see them in all their glory and all their splendour, such as they are today. Very crunchy underfoot. All of the acorns have been shed. Squirrels have been very, very busy stocking up their larders. We're just about to enter into some very, very old woodland. And the last video was more concerned with the bird song. A little bit about this woodland. This predates the monasteries. It was originally enclosed as part of Waltham Abbey, but thanks to Henry, when the abbeys were dissolved, because the nasty old Pope wouldn't give him a divorce, ransacked them, and their lands became parcelled out, no longer unified. So it's a little bit damp underfoot at the moment. Had a couple of heavy dews. That's okay. It's not Wellington weather yet. Just look at the splendour. So if any of you are familiar with SAD, seasonally affective disorder, this is the time of year when it can be experienced. I wouldn't diagnose myself as having SAD, but I do notice a dip in my mood at this time of year, decreasing sunlight hours. But be it spring, summer or autumn, there's really, really good therapy to be had being out in nature, out in the woodlands. And I've just seen absolutely lovely spaniel, and I sense that the people that are walking the spaniel are somewhere behind me, so I'm going to turn off for a moment just to preserve their privacy.